Hello, welcome back to another video. In this one I'm just going to share quickly how to back up your Procreate files into iCloud. So as it's a new year, I actually just started to do this myself because I felt like I wanted to get all my 2022 Procreate drawings to back up so I can kind of have a little bit of a fresh start. So first of all, in Procreate, I just did spend some time going through all my files and naming them all, putting all the specific drawings into one file. So stationery designs, bookmarks, this is a children's book. So I stacked them. And so if you don't know how to stack, by the way, you just literally hold your finger down and then drag it into this one, for example, let go, and now that creates a stack, and you can press that and then rename it here. And you can also drag on stacks to other stacks and then add them in. So this could be dropped there at the end. And if I just select those, I can actually hold that back up to this little arrow and then drop them back into this part again. So yeah, that's what I've just spent some time doing. I've named all of my folders. I've deleted unnecessary things that I just don't need anymore. First of all, you just want to make sure that in your settings, if you go all the way down to Procreate on here, then on document storage just here, this is showing that it goes straight to my iCloud. So you might have it different. You might have Dropbox set up or some other storage system, but for this video I'm just going to show you iCloud. So it's set up as to save to iCloud. If I go into my files, this is actually I've just created backup 2022 folder in my files, and this is in iCloud Drive. And then basically I just pressed this little symbol up here to make a new folder, and you can title a new folder. So let me just go back. I've just started transferring a few over. So where am I up to? Coffee Witch. So this is in a stack. So there's a few images within that folder. So just coming back, I'm gonna just name this folder Coffee Witch. So I'm just gonna press select and then select this folder, Coffee Witch, go to share up here, and I'm gonna share it as a Procreate file, but you can also share it as JPEG or something else if you want. Oops, so I'm just gonna go Procreate, and then I'm gonna go to Files, Save to Files. And so here it's automatically saving into the iCloud Drive under Backup 2022. And I just want to put it into the Coffee Witch folder. So I'm just going to press that and press save. And you can also drag them in, and then once you're in files, you can then make the folder by clicking that button and then selecting them all and then dragging them. But I found that it's just easier to see which files I'm coming to next. So Girl on Bike at Beach, she's in a stack. So if I just go back here, make a new folder. So I'm just going to name this Girl on Bike at Beach, come back to Procreate, and then I'm going to select her, share, Procreate, save to files, and then I'm going to click on Girl at Beach, Girl on Bike at Beach, and save. So that's that. So if I've done this folder and then I've come to two single files next, I'll just click on both of them, select both, and then press share. And because I've named the files already, when I go to save files, I'll just click on the backup 2022, so it goes into the main folder, and press save. Then they will sit in this folder and they will be named already. So I won't have all these unnamed files. It'll be just easier for me to see. So I don't know, I feel like it was a bit more organized if I renamed all the files. I wanted to try and keep on top of that. So it's gonna take a little while going through everything, but it's worth it. I just upgraded my iCloud storage as well because I needed more. And then once you've made sure that they are definitely uploaded and everything, you can go ahead and delete these files. And yeah, I feel just so much more organized now I'm gonna do this. So I don't know if that's helped anyone. I hope it has. Thank you so much for watching this quick little video tutorial, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.